the real reason oil bottles have this secret piece. This oil bottle hack saves you time and money. A lot of you have been reaching out, asking if there's any use for that small part under the oil bottle cap. Well, today, I'm going to show you the secret behind it. First, grab a bottle of oil. Carefully peel the seal off and set it aside. Now, hold it in your hand. That little plastic piece is not just waste. It's the key to saving you time and oil. You might not think of it like this, but by repurposing it, you're about to make your cooking life way more efficient. Notice that small tab or ring. All you need to do is gently push it back into the bottle opening, but here's the trick. Don't just drop it in. Align the ring with the edges of the bottle and gently press it in until it fits snugly inside the opening. Ever pour too much oil into your pan by accident? Or maybe you've found yourself wiping up oily spills off the counter? This trick stops all of that. No more messy countertops, no more wasting oil. Once it's in place, your oil bottle will have a brand new pouring mechanism. Just tilt the bottle and pour. Look at how controlled and smooth the oil flow is now. You can pour oil into your pan without worrying about too much coming out all at once. And if you found this hack helpful, I've got another mind-blowing kitchen tip that will save you even more. Check out this video where I show you why you should put a plastic bag on your broom today.